your garden is showing signs of early growth in the winter because of the mild weather, calm down. Here are some things that you can do to protect it during the cold snap. Bulbs or your perennials or even your trees have started to bud. For the most part, they will be fine if you do nothing. For your tender plants, say zone 7, 8, like your camellias, like your espalonias, they would appreciate having a little bit of crop cover. If you don't have crop cover, sheets, newspaper, whatever you have will protect the buds and flowers from being frozen. Trying to save your rosemary and other herbs, use straw or mulch around the base. Their roots come very close to the surface, and again, crop cover, newspaper, cardboard sheets you can drape over the top. And if this is happening with some of your early bulbs, you can add straw if you want. They're still going to bloom. You might have the leaves look a little haggard after they thaw out. If we do get snow, the snow will act as a crop cover and actually protect everything. If we get the hard freeze but not enough snow, then yeah, they might look like 10 miles of bad road. That's okay, we're gonna love them anyway.